I finally got all the fittings and the pieces I need for the hydraulic steering for this. So here's the pump. I modified it by extending the filler neck to give it more capacity, and I welded these 6 JIC fittings onto the pressure and return. I just reused the top of the filler neck on this, so a regular top piece will go in there. So, but I wanted to show it before I got it all painted up and into the Jeep. Everything's all connected. Look at all those hoses. I gotta go back through and redo this fuel line, these wires, move them around, but everything's all connected. So this is super cool. I thought that I messed up and put this steering ram too far over, so I ended up being able to adjust it over here, and I think that I'll be able to make steering stop to steering stop. So this is all connected. I'm gonna go back through and maybe try and clean some of this up. These two hoses going to the pump are a little bit short, but I'm gonna make something better for here so that nothing's rubbing against each other, but it's all connected. So that's super exciting. New fuel line to replace this old gross setup. Nice new filter and line, nothing fancy, but it's gonna work. Rented a puller from the auto parts store and gonna get this cool pulley pressed on there. Alright, that ended up being a real process. I had a lot of difficulty getting this pulley on, but it's on there. The belt's on there. All the systems and everything are all hooked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up, start it, and see if it steers at all. Psyched about this because I've been working on this project for like 2 years, and ever since I've had it, it's never steered. So between getting everything all fixed up under the hood and working right, and now the fact that it steers, I think I'm going to be in pretty good shape to be able to actually use this thing in the snow this year, which is been the goal, to go out and hopefully somewhat have a chance of being reliably out there. I did notice that it turns much better one way than the other, but that has to do with the type of steering ram that's on it. This is a single-sided ram. If it had a double-sided, it'd be equal on both sides. It's just something that we can look into for the future, but for now I just wanted to get it going, and I'm really happy about this progress. I noticed it leaks also out of the power steering pump a little bit at the top, so I don't know if that's something to do with the fact that I have all the same line sizes on this, or I might have just overfilled it, but we'll look into that. Text it around the yard some more and hopefully we have that action video soon that I promised.